Hello. Eggs are a staple in many diets worldwide, celebrated for their versatility, affordability, and rich nutritional content. However, not all food pairings are created equal. Certain combinations may inadvertently sabotage the health benefits of this avian delicacy. In today's video, we're going to reveal the top 3 food combos to steer clear of when enjoying your eggs. Whether you're a health enthusiast or simply looking to make informed dietary choices, this knowledge will help you get the most out of your meals. So if you're ready to unlock the secrets of optimal nutrition, stay tuned. And let's dive into these excellent revelations together. Before we begin, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell to stay updated with our latest health insights. And tell me, what foods do you eat with your eggs, and where are you watching from? Let's get started. The first combo to avoid is starchy carbs with eggs. Eggs are a nutritional powerhouse containing vitamins such as biotin, D, and B12, which support hair health, bone health, and cell metabolism respectively. They also provide protein, healthy fats, and choline, essential for brain function. On the other hand, starchy carbs like bread, potatoes, and pasta are primarily sources of carbohydrates. While they can contribute to energy levels, they offer fewer essential nutrients. When consumed together, the high carbohydrate content of starchy carbs can slow down the digestion process, potentially leading to discomfort. This is because the body focuses more on digesting the carbs than the protein from the egg, which could affect nutrient absorption. Additionally, starchy carbs often have a high glycemic index, meaning they can cause blood sugar spikes and dips, leading to hunger and cravings shortly after the meal. This can be problematic for those trying to maintain a healthy diet or manage weight. For a better digestive experience and optimal nutrient absorption, it's recommended to enjoy eggs with non-starchy vegetables or fruits. This not only helps digestion, but also adds variety and balance to your diet. Consider having your eggs with spinach, tomatoes, mushrooms, or berries. These pairings not only enhance the flavor, but also provide additional vitamins and minerals. By making this simple adjustment to your breakfast, you can ensure that you're getting the most out of both the eggs and your chosen accompaniments. Remember, it's all about making informed choices that support your overall health and well-being. Our second food group to avoid combining with eggs is high cholesterol foods. Eggs have a reputation for being high in cholesterol, which can be concerning for some. However, it's important to understand that dietary cholesterol has less impact on blood cholesterol levels than previously thought. While eggs do contain cholesterol, they also provide many essential nutrients like protein, healthy fats, vitamins, and antioxidants. Consuming them in moderation as part of a balanced diet should not pose a significant risk for most people. On the other hand, certain foods, like processed meats, butter, and full-fat dairy products can be high in saturated and trans fats, which can negatively affect heart health by raising bad cholesterol levels. When consumed alongside eggs, these high cholesterol foods can amplify their impact on blood cholesterol levels. For instance, a study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that eating a meal containing both egg yolks and processed meat resulted in higher cholesterol levels compared to consuming either food separately. Similarly, another study published in the Journal of Nutrition reported that consuming eggs with butter increased blood cholesterol levels more than eggs alone. While these findings may be concerning, it's important to remember that not everyone will react the same way. Some individuals, such as those with pre-existing heart conditions or high cholesterol levels, may need to be more cautious about their cholesterol intake. In this case, it's advisable for them to monitor their cholesterol levels regularly and consult with a healthcare professional or a dietitian for personalized advice. However, for the general population, enjoying eggs in moderation as part of a balanced diet should not pose a significant risk. To minimize the potential impact on cholesterol levels, it's a good idea to pair eggs with healthier options, like fruits and vegetables, rather than processed meats and full-fat dairy products. This not only helps reduce cholesterol concerns, but also provides additional nutrients and promotes overall well-being. By making informed food choices, we can harness the many benefits of eggs while keeping our cholesterol levels in check. Remember, knowledge is power, and with the right information, we can make better decisions for our health. Before we continue, if you appreciate all the information and the research that goes into making a video like this, it does help out tremendously if you hit the like button. Thank you. Now, let's move on to the third food group to avoid with eggs: processed carbohydrates. Eggs are a versatile and nutritious addition to any meal, offering a great source of protein, healthy fats, and essential vitamins. On the other hand, processed carbohydrates, such as white bread, pastries, and sugary cereals, can be detrimental to health when consumed in excess. They often lack essential nutrients and can cause blood sugar spikes, leading to energy crashes and cravings. When consumed together, processed carbs can counterbalance the positive effects of eggs, leading to a less nutritious meal. Several studies have shown that consuming eggs with processed carbohydrates can lead to rapid blood sugar increases and insulin resistance. For example, a study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that eating a breakfast consisting of eggs and white bread led to higher blood sugar levels and insulin responses compared to consuming eggs alone. Another study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition reported that consuming eggs with refined carbohydrates like bagels increased the glycemic impact of the meal, leading to poorer blood sugar control. The negative effects of processed carbohydrates on the nutritional value of eggs extend beyond just blood sugar levels. They can also affect nutrient absorption, the high fiber and nutrient content of whole grains. Fruits and vegetables can aid in better digestion and the absorption of essential nutrients. By pairing eggs with processed carbs instead, you may be hindering the absorption of vital vitamins and minerals. It's important to note that not all carbohydrates are created equal. Complex carbohydrates found in whole grains. Fruits and vegetables are rich in fiber and nutrients and can be part of a healthy diet. In contrast, simple sugars and refined carbohydrates like white bread and pastries offer little nutritional value and can have adverse effects on health. Therefore, it's crucial to choose wisely when combining eggs with carbohydrates. Whenever possible, opt for complex carbs like brown rice, quinoa, and whole wheat bread, which provide more nutrients and fiber. Additionally, incorporating fruits and vegetables into your meals can help balance blood sugar levels and enhance the overall nutritional profile. Remember, making informed choices about the foods we consume can significantly impact our health and well-being. By understanding the potential drawbacks of combining eggs with processed carbohydrates and choosing healthier alternatives, we can enjoy eggs while reaping their numerous health benefits. In conclusion, while eggs are a nutritional powerhouse, certain food pairings can diminish their health benefits. By avoiding starchy carbs, high cholesterol foods, and processed carbohydrates with eggs, you can ensure that you're getting the most out of these versatile ingredients. Each of these food groups can slow digestion, raise cholesterol levels, or counteract the positive effects of eggs. Instead, consider pairing your eggs with fruits, vegetables, or whole grains to boost nutrition and support your health. Remember, knowledge is key to making informed choices about the foods we eat. So by understanding which combinations to avoid, you can enjoy delicious and nutritious meals while prioritizing your well-being. As always, we're committed to bringing you the best health and wellness tips. What did you think of these tips? Tell us in the comments. And if you liked this content, don't forget to leave your like, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with your friends. And remember, always consult a doctor and make informed choices to protect your health. Want to continue learning about health? Also, watch these videos. The real reason to drink water on an empty stomach every day, which nobody tells you. And my video about your liver is dying. 13 strange signs of liver damage you need to know. Thank you for staying with me until the end of this video. May God bless us with health and life. Let's work together to promote everyone's well-being. Subscribe for more health videos.